Do you know what is the impact of education? How education impacts ignorant people? Well, in this video, we will discuss these questions via Plato's ideas and his most popular story, the Allegory of the Caves, and his concept of the forms. First of all, guys, I welcome you all on my channel Discover Study with me, Preeti Pura. I'm an engineer turned political science postgraduate, also qualified as assistant professor and a career counselor. So whosoever has any query can connect with me via social media platform mentioned in this video's description. So let's get started. The allegory of the cave. It's basically a story that compares the impact of education and its impact on ignorant people. Once upon a time, people used to live inside a shadowy cave. They never tried to find out what is outside that cave. All they are familiar with was reflections of animals, trees, and outside phenomena. But they were not curious enough to go out and find. Instead, they used to talk to reflections. For them, these reflections were reality. On one fine day, a person was fascinated to go out, and when he went out, he saw true forms of all these reflections, their behavior, their color, their nature, etc. He saw sunlight and other phenomena which was just phantoms earlier. He again went inside to tell others, but can't see anything due to his long time presence in sun's gaze. He walked slowly with stumbling. When he insisted on explaining, people killed him because of his unfamiliar behavior. So what are the lessons drawn from this story? That was the exact case with Socrates. Like, if you bluntly say people that they are fools and ignorant, then you will invite your destruction. Wisdom starts by owning to ignorance, making confessions, and detecting errors in reasoning. You can never teach anyone by making them feel stupid. That was what Plato wants to convey from this story. Now, coming to the forms, let me ask you some questions. What is ideal version? Is it good to find perfection or even necessary? Well, yes, in that way, we will focus on not committing mistakes. Ideal forms will guide you to do something well towards a goal. It's like a blueprint, a set of instruction. Say, for example, we all have our different goals in life. If we chase the number one personality or the number one rank in that particular field or goal, then we will able to do that consistently with a clear focus, and that's how we will achieve it in a shorter duration. Education results in deep understanding that we should not abandon our ideals. So that's it for today. In the next video, we will discuss Plato's idea of justice, his views on Pythagoras and universe, his most important quotes, and criticism to Plato. For now, hit the like button, comment on the comment section, subscribe to my channel, and share this video. Thank you. I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care. Have a nice day.